Hi, good evening everyone. So, I'm Adhithya. I'm aerospace engineering graduate. I graduated from Nagar University just now the last year. Yeah, it's been like 2 months since I joined CAD Center. I've been learning a lot. I actually had some experience with 2D CAD, so I directly joined 3D CAD as well. And I've been learning a lot about padding and making surfaces and making objects and also product. But the most intriguing topic for me was sheet design. And one of the most used products done using the sheet metal design is that of the CPU. So we all know what CPUs are. These are the dark model objects which are obviously PCs. So watching the CPU. CPU, as we know it, is itself a computer. It has the memory hard disk, it has the console unit, it has the graphical design, everything. So yeah, creating a CPU, I mean just the cover. We couldn't even model the interior objects the CPU using the data. But yeah, it can be done, but it takes very long. And yeah, so basically, this CPU was created using 5 sheet metal designs, which are the bottom, the top, the left, right, and the back one. And the front part was created using part design. So let me just review. Let's start with the back. So yeah, first of all, in the CPU, there are reasons for using these exhaust holes. That is for getting the excessive heat out of the CPU, uh, uh, which can't be usually done in a very efficient manner not for these exhausts. So usually there are 3 fans in the CPU, which are one of which is directly fitted in the back of the CPU using these 8 holes, and also 2 other fans, for which one is for the processor, which is in the bottom, and also this exhaust is for the fan, which is used to cool the graphic system. And also there are other holes in the CPU design, which is for the this big one is for the power outlet, and these two are for the USB and Ethernet cables. And these two can be used for either the power outlets or USB, because we don't know how the design of the CPU will turn out. It gets really messy in there, so we don't know how we are going to manage the space.